One day I woke up, realized that I should be a dancer. Never done it in my life, but who cares? I can feel the energy is flowing right through my veins. Used to be so shy, never questioned why. As snail, I lived in my own shell, lived in my own shell. Then I saw this thing on the internet. It told me to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal, and you good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal, and you good to go. I think I got it. Easy as the brush of the shyness. It's my time to shine, I've got the moves now. Time to show the world what I can do, show what I can do. Get on a dance floor, eyes on me cause I am like a god. Wow, everyone's in shock, they wanna know how I do it so well, they wanna learn only from my past. Like a hero, I am the center of attention, and the ladies all want to be with me. All that I can say, there is just one way. You have to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal, and you good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal, and you good to go.
There's no time to cry. Gotta live my life. At this time, gotta try. Yeah, you know why. Do you know why? 'Cause life can be fun, life can be tough. At the end of the day, there's only one way. Life is life.
And I've been running far away from you, away from those words that got me in the blue. Cause I don't care about my weight or if I don't look good. Just another heartbreak, I'm just over you. And I've been learning on my skate, on my blinded youth, to not trade my soul with all the goods. I've been running far away from you. So get the hell out of here, I'm just over you, I'm just over you. Time to let you go. Back down again, where my feelings twist and shine above the line we were. Yes, I could let you go and then back down again. Yes, I could let you go and then back down again, where my feelings twist and shine above the line we were. Yes, I could let you go and then back down
on the floor. I'm feeling lonely till the morning when it's dawn. Sometimes feel like it's all gone, but I know I gotta move on. Why? Just a little bit more.
One day I woke up, realized that I should be a dancer. Never done it in my life, but who cares? I can feel the energies flowing right through my veins. Used to be so shy, never questioned why. As now I lived in my own shell, lived in my own shell. Then I saw this thing on the internet. It told me to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you're good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you're good to go. I got it. Easy as the brush of the shyness. It's my time to shine, I've got the moves now. Time to show the world what I can do, show what I can do. Get on a dance floor, eyes on me cause I am like a god, wow. Everyone's in shock, they wanna know how I do it so well, they wanna learn only from my past. Like a hero, I am the center of attention, and the ladies all want to be with me. All that I can say, there is just one way. You have to dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you're good to go. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal. Dance like an animal and you're good to go.
La 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 la.